Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we're talking about which setting spray is best for your wedding makeup. There are two types of setting sprays. There are finishing sprays and there are fixing sprays. We commonly refer to them as setting sprays. Wait until the end of this video because I'm going to give you the secret in order to make your setting spray locked in your face. Finishing sprays have more moisturizing components, so it helps to retain moisture on your skin. It helps your makeup to look less powdery and more like your skin. Most of the time it is alcohol free, so there is no alcohol in the first 5 ingredients of the finishing spray. An example of a finishing spray, also called an hydrating mist, is the Fix Plus from MAC. It helps to make your foundation, your powder, everything that you've put on your face look more natural, so it all looks more blended. Then there are fixing sprays. Fixing sprays are more drying, however it makes the foundation, the makeup last even longer. It has alcohol in it and polymer that dissolves in alcohol, which create a shield and a film on your face and makes the makeup last longer. There is less sweat coming out and your makeup is more fresh. It also helps with the makeup looking less powdery and more blended with your skin. How do you recognize that it is a fixing spray? You have to look at the ingredients, and when you look at the first 5 ingredients, there is either PVP or AMP. When you see those 2 ingredients, you know that your makeup is going to last longer. If you learned something so far, you can like this video, and if you want to be part of the family, you can always subscribe. Okay, so now let's look at the optimal way in which you can put in the setting spray. When you spray the setting spray, you can either create an X or do a T. This is going to ensure that your entire face is covered with the setting spray. One of the last trick that I have for you is to create wind by using either a paper or anything to create wind on your face. This is going to lock in the setting spray on your face and dry it out so it doesn't smudge or anything, so it stays in place. I know that it is important for your makeup to stay the entire day, especially on your wedding day. If you need more advice and more custom tips, you can always schedule a coaching call with me. If not, you can watch another video by clicking here. I created a wedding makeup look, so you can create your own makeup, your own wedding makeup look for your wedding day. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in this video.